Hello, welcome to the class. I'm Beth Aidlott. I'm your instructor. This is Writing 122. This might be the last writing class that many of you will need to take. If not, you probably only have one more class to take. So our job here in these 8 weeks, these 2 months, 2 short months, is to make sure that you have your writing skills solid enough, you've got the confidence and the competence to where you can take on any kind of writing assignment in any academic course that you come into contact with. Also, that you can deal with any kind of writing assignment on the workplace. I'm really excited about this class because we are going to be talking, our whole thesis this term is going to be on social media. I know you have an opinion on it. Positive, negative, in between. I know you do. We're going to be focusing on a novel by Dave Eggers. He wrote it in 2013. Actually, it's about our world in 2017. It's called The Circle, and it's actually about Facebook. It's about a Facebook that's taken over the world, which is not too far beyond our ability to conceive. But I'd like to know what you think about it. And I'm not asking you to read the entire book. I hope you do. There is a movie that came out just recently about it, sometime this spring, I think about a month ago. I didn't like it, but you might want to see it. It's a little bit different from the book. It's got Emma Watson, Tom Hanks in it. I was really excited about it and kind of disappointed. Anyway, I've got you. You can see here what we're doing the first week. If you have any problems, please get in touch with me. My phone number, my email address is all over the place here. Please make sure that you at least, showing you, look through the Getting Started place. That'll tell you how to get started on Moodle. Here's an introduction to me, the syllabus, everything you need to know about this course, literally. The grading, the assignments, what you can expect from me. Help with your writing is about the Writing Center. Please take advantage of them. Schedule of classes. I want you to look just to see what you're in for. You might want to look to see the number of papers, what is set it up with your schedule, with your calendar. The first week, I'm asking you to start reading The Circle, and then, as I said, I'd really like to know what you think about it. The activities, the assignments for the first week, I'm asking you to participate in the forum, just to introduce yourself and respond to some people. You might find some people with similar interests to you, and just to kind of get to know each other, because we will have discussions even though this is an online class. Your writing assignment isn't due until Sunday at 11:45. I'm asking you to tell me about your writing background, also about your experience with social media. It's all here within the assignment itself. And then I have a quiz actually on the syllabus and the Getting Started that you can take your time with. You can take it as many times as you want. I just want to make sure that you've read this. Please let me know if you have any problems whatsoever with Moodle, with the course itself, and then we can get it settled. I will be in my office Monday from 12 until 2, and my office is in the Center Building, room 436. I have that written down here. You can look at that and stop by. Just stop by and say hello, but let me know if you have any problems. I'm letting you see this early so that you can see if you have any problems. But let me know. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.